time to die, a time to plant and a time to uproot, a time to weep and a time to dance. The Bible is really true that there's a time for all of us, a time to be born and a time to die. When we talk about death, nobody really wants to talk about this. You don't even want to think about it. It is because nobody wants to die right away, or we don't want to die soon. But the reality is, our time can come anytime. Though we just don't want the exact time, we don't know. We don't know how, we don't know when. But we know that there are times like it can happen for all of us. We know that there are people who died early because maybe of the wrong decision they've done in their life. Sometimes because of unjust circumstances, or because of sicknesses, diseases that everybody may go through. And some died because of depression that made them decide to take their own life. The truth is, no one is exempted to face death. Whether you are young or healthy, even to a good person, death can come to anybody.
Mag-like at mag-subscribe na. Tara na!
Kaibigan, subscribe ka na! Tara na!